What is up, ZeeDroppers? In this video, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way for you guys to get started on Facebook Marketplace dropshipping in 2022. If you use the right tools and list the right products, then Facebook Marketplace dropshipping is the best opportunity for you, and it can make you a ton of money. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually download the ZeeDrop tool. ZeeDrop helps Facebook Marketplace dropshipping because it actually lists products extremely quick for you. So once you get this, come back to the video and I'll actually show you how to use the tool and find great products. So once you have ZeeDrop installed, what you're going to want to do is head over to Amazon and actually do product research and find products that you want to sell. And I'm going to give you guys a bit of a tip here. The best types of products that sell well on Facebook Marketplace dropshipping, especially in 2022, are actually these home decor rugs. Now, these rugs sell extremely well for me, and because they're so expensive, you can mark it up and actually have a huge profit margin. So let's just find a rug that you actually want to sell, and let me just browse through these real quick and find one. I actually think this one looks nice, so let's just click on this one. And the ZeeDrop extension will actually pop up above, so just go up here and hit copy to Facebook. And then hit paste. And then while it's pasting, I just like to go to the product images and actually find a nice product image. But because this product actually has a nice cover image, we're just going to use that instead. But if it's just one with like a white background, make sure you actually use a customer image, because people on Facebook are more inclined to actually purchase from you if the image looks nice. And on Marketplace, as you can see, you can actually add a video as well. And if you have a video on your listing, then it's actually proven you will get more clicks, which leads to more sales in the end. So this is a video right here. We're just going to hit download video. And once you hit that button, it actually takes about 60 seconds for the video to download. And if the product you're dropshipping off Amazon does not have a video, do not worry, you don't need one. But if the product does have a high quality video, make sure you use it because it will increase sales dramatically. But whatever you do, make sure you actually use a high quality video and not like some bad one where it doesn't actually show the product. And as you can see on the bottom, my video actually just got done downloading. So I'm just going to head back over to Facebook, hit add video, and then pick the video that I just downloaded. And the video is just going to begin to upload on Facebook. And while that's uploading, let's just actually edit this description and title real quick. So I'm going to delete that. Make sure you delete any company names that are actually in the product title or description, and also delete any warranties while you're at it. So just make sure that it looks nice and tidy, because customers don't want to buy off like a bad description with spelling errors. And let's see how much this costs. And it costs about $100. So we're actually going to put this at $180. And because it's $100, again, you can mark it up a lot. Category, area rug. And then make sure the description looks nice as well. I'm just going to put a few returns in here, just so the paragraphs are separated. And once you get the hang of this, guys, it actually is very quick. It takes less than a minute for each listing. And then once you're actually done editing the title, description, and everything, and the video is uploaded to Facebook, you can actually hit next, next, and then publish. And if you want to charge for shipping, you can charge for shipping. But usually I charge free shipping because customers love free shipping. They don't actually like paying for shipping. So have free shipping again. And because this item is very expensive, just have free shipping if you're going to mark it up a ton anyway. But yeah, let's just look at actually another product. I'm going to give you guys another hot product here that will sell well for you in 2022. First, I gave you the rug niche, and now I'm actually going to give you this. It's a canvas print for the wall. It's basically just wall art, and this product sold extremely well for me in January 2022 and leading into February. So again, we're just going to hit copy to Facebook, hit paste data, and then once again, just head back here and we can actually look at some customer images. And because this is a white background, we're going to want to use a customer image for this. So let's actually look through these and just find one with like nice lighting and everything. That one's too blurry. Okay, this one looks nice. So what we're going to want to do is actually take a screenshot of this, or you can just right click and save the image if that's easier for you. And then I'm going to go back over to Facebook, add a photo, and just add this photo. And this product doesn't actually have a product video, but that's okay. If it doesn't have a product video, don't worry. Just use the customer image. Just drag that to the front. And then just edit the title again. I'm just going to delete that ending there. This costs $40, so I'm just going to make it 70. For the category, put plaques and signs. And then put some returns in here to separate the paragraphs in the description. And then make sure if there's any warranties to delete those as well. And because this is like a wall sign, you don't actually need color or anything. And again, once that's all done, once the description's tidied up as well as the title, just hit next, add free shipping again because this item's pretty expensive. And yeah, you're done with that product. So yeah guys, it's very simple to dropship in 2022, and I also gave you guys some hot products for you to start using. I gave you 2 niches that do extremely well, so make sure you guys use those products with ZeeDrop. And make sure you guys list those products and other variants of those products as well. Like the sign I just gave you, you can just go to like the related products down here and just list like all of these, and they're bound to sell for you, as well as the rugs. There's tons of rugs out there for you guys to sell, so just sell those. And with ZeeDrop, if you don't want to list them like one by one, you can actually come up here and look where it says save to bulk list. Just hit that button and it actually saves it to your bulk list, and just go through a bunch of products and hit save to bulk list, and then you can actually use the ZeeDrop bulk list feature, and then you just hit one button and it uploads tons of products straight to Facebook for you. And it's very simple and very efficient. So just do that if you don't want to do it manually, like one by one. And yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and actually learned something from this video. ZeeDrop link will be in the description below, as well as the Facebook group where you guys can join, ask questions, and make sure to subscribe to never miss out on an upload.